8th class, 9th class, I'm sorry, 9th class. So, the subatomic particles means the particles which are present inside the atom are called as subatomic particles. We discussed about all those electrons, protons and also neutrons. And we discussed about the basic structures also. J.J. Thomson's atomic structure, atomic model, basic models. J.J. Thomson's atomic model, Rutherford's atomic model and Niels Bohr's atomic model also. Okay, just try to recollect the models what we discussed in the J.J. Thomson's atomic model. I told you that it will be like a watermelon as the black seeds are embedded here and there in the red matrix of the watermelon, or it is also called as plum pudding model as the puddings are embedded in the plum. Just like that, even the negatively charged electrons are embedded here and there in the positive matrix. That was the assumption about the atom by J.J. Thomson. He thought that as the seeds of watermelon are embedded in the red color matrix of the watermelon, no. In the same way, the electrons are embedded here and there in the positive matrix of like a proton. The negatively charged electrons are present here and there in the positive proton part. But if it is so, the atom will collapse. When the positive and negative charges are together, then the atom becomes neutral. Isn't it? So the atom will collapse when the charges are combined together. So it is not happening. And Rutherford model is also called as planetary model. What is this planetary model? As the planets are revolving around the nucleus, even the electrons are revolving around, as the planets are revolving around the sun, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So his model is called as planetary model. Even the Rutherford model failed because if there is a continuous motion, according to classic theory, if something is in a continuous motion, after some time it will fall into the center. Is it happening so in the atom? No, not at all. So even Rutherford model is also it is also having its own effects. Okay. So after Rutherford, Niels Bohr, he gave his atomic model. To some extent, Niels Bohr's model is the basic model for the higher or recent or advanced or modern atomic model. His model, the Niels Bohr's model is the base for the modern atomic model. To understand about this atom in this, the lesson name itself is structure of atom. So in the structure of atom, we are going to see about how the atom is. What is the structure of the atom? So just I gave you recapitulation of these subatomic particles and the basic atomic models given by different scientists. Okay. So before knowing the structure of atom, you should understand a concept called as spectrum, which we already discussed in the lesson Human Eye and Colorful World. If you remember, we discussed about the spectrum in the case of dispersion of light. I told you that the light, white light, unipolarized white light, when it falls on any prism or any transparent medium, it will split into 7 colors. I told you that. So, what is a spectrum? A spectrum is a group of rays with different iron rod. What will happen after some time? You will see that the iron rod will become red in color. Red in color means, keep in your mind, red color means more wavelength. Already I told you this. More wavelength. The red color is having more wavelength but less energy.